Hari Om children, welcome back to the same topic, that is integers part 2. Hope. In last topic you have learned all your negative integers, positive integers and how to mention them on the number line and how to write them in the positive and negative signs. Now we will be going ahead forward with our addition of integers and subtraction of integers. Now here we are going to see what is meant by addition of integers. Addition of integers. So addition means adding two integers. The addition of two positive integers is simply the sum of two positive numbers. For example 2 plus 3. We all know when we are adding 2 plus 3 we will be getting our number as 5. So what we have done here, we just added two integers. We have added two positive integers, that is plus 2 and plus 3. When we are adding two positive integers, we got our product, that is we got our sum as plus 5. Now, the sum of two negative integers is the same except the answer will take a minus sign. For example, minus 2, minus 3. So, if you observe here, we have taken the common sign. What is our common sign here? Minus. Now, what we have added here? 2 plus 3 we are adding. When we are adding 2 plus 3, we will be getting it as 5. But what is the sign? It is common. It is common minus. That's why we have to put minus before 5. So what will be our answer here? It will be minus. So when we are adding positive integers together, we will be getting positive number only. When we are adding two negative integers, we will be getting negative number only. Now children, if we are having one positive and one negative integer, you must subtract, but answer will take the sign of the bigger numbers. So when you are having one positive and one negative integer, you have to subtract both. But how you will be giving the sign? You will be giving the sign which is having the bigger, which sign is having the bigger number, which sign will have the bigger number. It is important to note that ignoring the signs of the numbers will decide which a bigger integer is. First, when you are when you are observing two integers, you have to see which number is bigger number. You can easily identify the bigger number, and after that you have to identify what is the sign of that number. For example, I have taken 2 plus minus 1. So what I have to do, my bigger number is 2 here. So from this 2 I have to subtract minus 1. So what will be my answer here? My answer will be 1. Now if you observe, 2 is greater than 1. What is the sign of 2? It is positive. So our answer will be positive. The bigger number will be having one sign. You have to observe what is that sign and you have to give the answer the bigger number's sign only. So here my bigger number is 2. So I have taken 2 as my answer. Into what is the sign I am having? It is positive sign. That's why I have given positive sign to my answer. In the same way, next I am taking two more numbers, that is 2 and minus 3. From this what you can observe here, minus 3 is the bigger one than 2. But what you have to do before that, you have to subtract both the numbers. So you can take 2 minus 3. From 2 you can remove minus 3? Yes, you can remove. How much you will be getting the answer? You will be getting answer as minus 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Right? But here 3 is having which sign? Negative sign. That's why we will be placing negative sign here. Or else you can observe like this also. 3 is greater than 2. Hence the answer is negative. Right? What I have told? The same statement is given here. When you are subtracting two numbers, the bigger number having a sign, you have to take that sign only to the answer what we have got. So 1 is the answer when you are subtracting 3 minus 2. So 3 is greater than 2. That's why I have taken it as negative number. Numbers such as 3 and minus 3, 2 and minus 2 when added to each other give the sum as 0. They are called additive inverse of each other. What are additive inverse, Nana? When we are taking a number, positive number and negative number of same digits, for example plus 5 and minus 5. When you are adding both together, what you will be getting your answer? You will be getting your answer as 0 itself. Such type of numbers are known as additive inverse of each other. Additive inverse of each other. Now we will see how to operate additions and subtraction on our number line. Operations of addition and subtraction can also be done by using a number line. How to use number line to add or subtract our integers we are going to see here. When a positive number is added, we move to the right. When a negative number is added, we move to the left. When a positive number is subtracted, we move to the left. When a negative number is subtracted, we move to the right. If you observe here, you are just seeing the opposite of the directions in addition and subtraction. Positive number is added, it moves right. If it is going to subtract, it is moving backward. In the same way, when you are observing the negative numbers, when you are going to add, it is moving left side. In the same case, when you are subtracting the number, it is moving to the right side. Example we will see here. Use number line and add the following integers. 9 plus minus 6. What will be our solution? We will see here. This can be shown on the number line as follows. For addition of a positive integer, we move 9 steps to the right of 0 reaching plus 9. Yes, for checking this, what we have to do, from 0 we have to move 9 steps forward. That is, you have to come to 9, right? Now, from this point, we move 6 steps to the left since a negative number is being added. What is our addition number here? Minus 6. So, what we have to do? We have to come back 6 steps. So, how many steps we have to come back? 6 steps. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is minus 6. So we are coming back to our 6th step. So what will be our number there? Our number is 3. Our number is 3. So what is this number, positive or negative? It is a positive integer. So our answer is plus 3. This is how we are going to do our addition on the number line. Now we will see one more example. Use number line and add the following integers, that is minus 1 plus minus 7. Here we have taken both negative integers only, Nana. In first example we have taken one positive and one negative, but in this example we have taken both negative integers only. So how we are going to add negative integers? On the number line, we first move one step to the left of 0 reaching minus 1. Since two negative numbers are being added, we move left twice from the point of minus 1. We further move 7 steps to the left of minus 1 and reach minus 8. What you have understood here, because we have taken two negative integers, what is our first negative integer? It is minus 1. So from 0 we have to move one step left. So that is minus 1. Now what we are adding here? We are adding again minus number only. So from minus 1 only we have to move our steps. So what is our next number? Minus 7. So from 1 we have to move 7 steps back. So how many steps? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So from minus 1, if we are going 7 steps backward, what will be our answer there? It is 8. Because we are moving left side, what is the sign of that number? It is minus sign. So our answer is minus 8. This is how we are going to identify our integers when we are adding two negative integers. Now we are going to see subtraction of integers with the help of number line. Only subtractions. Till now we have seen additions. Addition of a positive and negative integer, addition of two positive integers, addition of two negative integers. Now we are going to see how to do the subtraction of the integers, whether it is positive, negative or negative to negative, how we are going to subtract the integers. When we subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. When we subtract a negative integer, we move to the right because we get a greater integer. For example, 4 minus 2. So, in the bracket we are having minus only. So, minus of minus we will be getting plus. When we see two minus numbers, we will be getting plus number there. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. We have to find the greater number to the right because we get a greater integer. When we subtract a negative integer, we move to the right only, not to the left, for framing the greater integer, right? So that's why when we are seeing two negative integers, means minus of minus gives us always plus. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. The subtraction of an integer is the same as the addition of its additive inverse. What are additive inverse? I have told you, additive inverse means same digit with the different signs. Now, to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to do the other integer to the other integer. For example, in the case of 4 minus of minus 2, the additive inverse of minus 2 can be used. The additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. Additive inverse means what I told? Same number of different signs, that is here minus 2 it is there, we have changed it to plus 2, that is the additive inverse of minus 2. So we can add 2 to 4 and get 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So in the case of adding minus the integer with minus, we have to write the additive inverse of the number which is in the bracket. Understood, Nana? Now we will go further. One more example I will show you here. Find minus 12 minus of 8. So minus 12 is a single integer, negative integer, and again minus is there. We are here subtracting here two negative integers only. So when we are subtracting two negative integers, what we have to see here, subtracting minus 8 from minus 12. Our bigger number is minus 12. So we have to subtract our smaller number minus 8 from that. So is the same as adding the additive inverse of minus 8 to 12. Now what we have to do, we have to take the additive inverse of minus 8 to 12. What is the additive inverse of minus 8? Because minus 8 we are subtracting here. So we have to take the additive inverse of minus 8. So what is the additive inverse of minus 8? It is 8, positive 8, right? Therefore, minus 12 minus of minus 8 can be taken as minus 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. Now, can we locate this on the number line? Yes, we can locate. How we are going to locate this? Locate minus 12 on the number line. So, I have to locate minus 12. How I am going to locate? This is our 0. So, I have to go till minus 12. This is my minus 12. Now, we have to add positive integer 8. So, we get 8 jumps towards right. 8 jumps. From minus 12, we have to move forward to get our positive integer. So, what we have to do? Towards right, we have to move. From minus 12, 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from minus 12 I am moving forward 8 positive numbers. So what will be our answer here? When I am reaching here it will be my minus 4. So our answer is minus 4. This is how we are going to add two negative numbers, not addition. We are doing subtraction of two negative integers. We are doing subtraction of two negative integers. When we are doing subtraction of two negative integers, the bigger number will be the same negative number and the smaller negative number will be converted to additive inverse of that number, and then we will represent on the number line. This is how we are going to do our subtraction of two negative integers. Children, now it is your turn. Go through the concept well, practice all the concepts. Now do your exercise. After doing your exercise, send your classwork to me. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me, Nana. So see your questions here. Using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5, 3 less than -2, 5 more than -5. Next one, find the sum -9 plus -9 plus 4 plus 16. Find the sum of 137 and minus 354. Use the number line and add the following integers. 9 plus -6. Add without using number line. Don't use number line. You can directly do your answer here. Minus 250 plus of 150. Now next. Find 35 minus 20 is one question, and next one is minus 32 minus of minus 40. This is one more question. So you have to do two parts here. Now next one, fill in the blanks. Minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. Here I have given minus 8. What integer will come in the blank, and you will be getting your sum as 0. Think and do the answer. Now next one, find minus 7 minus 8 minus of minus 25. Subtract plus 3 from minus 5. Subtract minus 4 plus minus 10. Hope you will do your classwork well and submit me back. Hari Om. Thank you.